To set up a Trezor hardware wallet, start by physically unpacking the device and its accessories, including the USB cable and recovery seed booklet. Next, connect the Trezor to your computer using the provided USB cable. You will then be prompted to visit the Trezor website to download and install the Trezor Bridge, a program that enables communication between your computer and the Trezor device. Once installed, launch the Trezor Bridge and follow the on-screen instructions to initialize the device. During the initialization process, you will be asked to create a PIN, which will be used to unlock the device for future use. Choose a strong and unique PIN, and make sure to remember it, as it will be required every time you want to access your wallet. After setting up the PIN, you will be guided through the process of generating a recovery seed. The recovery seed is a list of words that will be used to restore your wallet in case the device is lost or damaged. It is crucial to store the recovery seed in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure storage device. Once you have generated and stored the recovery seed, your Trezor device is ready to use. You can now install the Trezor Suite, a user-friendly interface that allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies, send and receive transactions, and monitor your balances. To add accounts to your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite and click on the Add Account button. Select the type of cryptocurrency you want to add, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Finally, make sure to keep your Trezor device and recovery seed in a safe and secure location. And always use strong and unique passwords and PINs to protect your wallet and sensitive information. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the secure and successful setup of your Trezor hardware wallet.